Hi, my name is Fianshu and I'm a founder of a company called Marketing Hook. Basically, I'm making this video because a lot of people have been asking me about that how come we can gain followers on social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. How come my friends, my competitors have gained overnight followers on these platforms? uh, I'm not going to tell you that how you can gain followers, because there is a lot of material that you can watch it on YouTube and other platforms, that how to gain followers organically. But I'm going to tell them that how most of these people do this overnight and why you shouldn't do this. Basically, there is a thing called bots and fake profiles. Let me explain to you in the simplest manner possible that these bots are computer generated profiles which are generated, like they use first name of some random person, second name of some random person, they connect it together and make a fake profile. What happens is, and there are websites available online, I'm not going to tell you the names, but there are websites available where you can just go and pay some money like 1,000 2,000 rupees and you can gain 1,000 followers in like 10 15 seconds, 20 seconds maximum. Up now what happens is that if you pay a lot, you gain more followers and the cycle goes on. Basically, why I'm telling you not to do this, because imagine that you are paying for something like which is actually not there. That's just the number which is showing you on your profile, nothing else. How you can genuinely see that how a lot of people are doing this or not? For example, uh, go to somebody's profile who has like 30,000 followers and you feel that this person has gained overnight success, because most of the time सबकी वीडियोस वायरल नहीं हो जाती एक साथ. So you need to understand that how come this person has gained 30,000 40,000 followers overnight. So just go to their followers and just check. After 10 15 people, you'll randomly see some weird profiles like without display pictures, and just click on them. And the moment you click on their profiles, you'll understand that these people are following around 5,000 6,000 people, and the number of people following them back are like 150, and the number of posts are 0, and there is no display picture. So these are bots which are just available so that some people who use this extra brain can earn a lot of money. The other thing you can easily understand is, I have seen this with so many digital marketing agencies in my own city as well, that they have followers on Instagram and on Facebook around 50,000 60,000, but the interaction on their posts are around like 5 6. For example, there's somebody who has 50,000 followers on Instagram. That person should have the interaction according to that number of followers that person has. अब इस बंदे के जो टोटल नंबर ऑफ लाइक्स हैं, दैट इज़ अराउंड 5, दैट इज़ अराउंड 6 7 8. सो इससे ही डायरेक्टली पता लग जाता है दैट दिस पर्सन हैज़ बॉट बॉट्स और फेक प्रोफाइल्स, एंड दिस इज ऑफ नो रेलेवेंस टू यू. To all those companies who think that Instagram and Facebook is going to give you business, you're absolutely right, they are going to do that, but it is going to take some time. What you have to do is you have to understand on multiple things like content kya hai, and then you need to understand, will this content go viral? So rather than spending money on buying fake profiles, you need to invest money on content writing, you need to invest money on content making, you need to invest money on good marketing people who can actually product, or who can actually promote your entire line of product in a manner that people get attracted to it, and then they want to make a relationship with you so that you gain genuine followers. Again, I would suggest a lot of people that do not do this, because it's of no use, you're wasting your money. I have seen one of my ex-client doing this. I will not take the name, but that profile has around, I saw it last week, that profile has around 1,300 followers now overnight, and the kind of likes they have, the engagement they have per post is around 4 or 5 or 6. So that is just of no use. Imagine that I am sitting on my laptop, I'm making 10 profiles, right? I'm making 10 profiles: Fianshu Sharma A, Fianshu Sharma B, Fianshu Sharma C, Fianshu Sharma D, and then with all those profiles, I'm following them Fianshu Sharma, and then I can be very proud of that I have these many followers. So it makes no sense. I run a marketing agency, I run a business development consultancy, where honestly I do not have so many followers, but still my product gets sold. How? Because I know how to reach the right kind of audience in a particular way. So I'll suggest you not to get upset, and you're in this for long run. So do not get distracted by these number of followers people have.